I've had the pleasure of reviewing a good number of electric bikes in the e-bike proving grounds of the North Georgia mountains, but none have left a mark quite like the Himiway C5 Ultra. This beast of an e-bike recently faced the ultimate challenge, the notorious e-bike hill of death, a steep, unforgiving ascent that has humbled many before it. Without a pedal stroke from me, the Himiway C5 Ultra tackled the hill with a surprising ease, its motor whirling steadily as it climbed higher and higher. To my astonishment, it didn't just make it halfway or 3/4 of the way up. It powered all the way to the summit. This was the first for any e-bike I've tested, marking a momentous occasion on the channel. The Himiway C5 Ultra isn't just another e-bike. It introduces itself as the first moped-style e-bike I've had the honor of reviewing. And let me tell you, I am thoroughly enamored with this category. The moped-style e-bike combines the best of both worlds, the convenience and accessibility of a bicycle with the robust power and comfort of a moped. It's an exhilarating new frontier in e-bike design, and the C5 Ultra embodies this fusion perfectly. Alright, let's get this e-bike unboxed and assembled so we can take it for a ride. First, I removed the packaging straps and opened the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down and slid the e-bike out carefully. Stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the C5 Ultra. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align them with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. Now for the front wheel, loosen the bolts and the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. Okay, on to the pedals. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use your wrench to further tighten them. Now we install the bell by fastening it to the handlebars in the position that you prefer. Now we move on to a very important step. Place the coffee cup in the provided holder to add a personal touch to the bike, emphasizing its user-friendly design. And before the first ride, you want to charge the bike fully and check the tire inflation. The maximum inflation is 30 psi, but I opted for slightly lower to suit my riding style and the mountainous terrain. At the core of what makes the C5 Ultra so impressive is its powerhouse setup, a 750 watt motor paired with a beefy LG 48 volt 20 amp battery. This combo is no joke. It propels you to speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and delivers a range that's just staggering for an e-bike, 60 to 80 miles on a single charge. Whether you're zipping through the city streets or embarking on longer treks, this bike has got you covered. And with options like throttle-only mode for those who want to cruise without breaking a sweat, and up to 5 levels of pedal assist for those who like a bit more engagement, it's all about your choice, your ride. Now let's talk tech integration, because the C5 Ultra isn't just throwing in specs for the sake of it. The synergy between its battery, motor, and controller is where you see Himiway's genius shine. The external battery design is sleek, easy to charge, and adds to the bike's overall aesthetics. With 86 Newton meters of torque at your disposal, climbing hills feels effortless, and the smooth power delivery from the 48 volt 22 amp controller makes for an incredibly responsive ride. It's the kind of seamless integration that elevates the C5 Ultra from just another e-bike to a true piece of modern tech on wheels. Shifting gears, the bike's transmission and control system is top-notch. You've got a Shimano Altus M310 7-speed rear derailleur for tackling various terrains, and the torque sensor that makes the pedal assist feel intuitive, like the bike just knows how much help you need and when. But here's where the C5 Ultra really stands out: its ability to handle the rough with the smooth. The 6061 alloy frame is both light and tough, ready for whatever you throw at it. The adjustable front and rear suspension system offers unparalleled comfort and control across all kinds of terrain. And when it comes to stopping power, the Tektro HD E3520 hydraulic brakes have got your back, or rather your stop. Pair that with the low rolling resistance off-road tires for exceptional grip, and you've got a bike that's as at home on city streets as it is on mountain trails. And of course, safety is key, so that 48-volt LED front light and integrated tail light ensure you're seen no matter where your adventures take you. Embarking on a journey with the Himiway C5 Ultra takes me into the heart of the North Georgia mountains, a terrain that tests the mettle of any electric bike daring enough to traverse its landscapes. The adventure begins on gravel roads, a true test of the bike's suspension capabilities. As I navigate through the rugged terrain, the C5 Ultra astonishes me with its smooth handling, absorbing the bumps and dips with grace. The bike's front and back shocks, tuned to perfection, mitigate the uneven ground beneath us, allowing for a ride that's both comfortable and controlled. The North Georgia mountains serve as a formidable proving grounds for electric bikes, posing a question of physics. Can a heavy e-bike laden with a rider muster enough power to scale these hilly terrains without the need for pedaling? Historically, for me, the answer has been a resounding no. Until now, the Himiway C5 Ultra defies expectations, powering up inclines with ease that renders the pedals unnecessary. It's an electrifying first, showcasing the bike's robust motor and efficient power delivery. The Himiway C5 Ultra, with its advanced engineering and design, stands in defiance of previous limitations, ascending the mountainous paths with a surprising and delightful ease that makes manual pedaling an optional feature to increase range. This achievement is a testament to the e-bike's powerful 750-watt motor, which delivers a consistent and forceful thrust, and its high-capacity LG 48-volt 20-amp battery, ensuring that the energy required for such feats is readily available. This combination of cutting-edge components works in harmony to provide an efficient power delivery system that can tackle steep inclines without faltering, effectively redefining the standards for what e-bikes are capable of achieving in challenging terrains. What sets the Himiway C5 Ultra apart is not just its ability to climb without the need for pedaling, but the manner in which it accomplishes this task. The bike's ascent is smooth and steady, a direct contrast to the strenuous and often interrupted efforts associated with traditional e-bike hill climbs. This smooth power delivery ensures the riders can enjoy the scenery and the ride itself, rather than focusing solely on the physical exertion required to reach the peak. The experience is akin to being gently propelled by an invisible force, allowing riders to take in the breathtaking views and the tranquility of the surrounding nature without the distraction of physical fatigue. The Himiway C5 Ultra's performance in the North Georgia mountains is a clear indication of its broader capabilities and the potential it offers to adventurers and commuters alike. It suggests that the e-bike is not only suitable for leisurely rides in challenging landscapes, but is also a reliable and efficient option for everyday use, capable of handling various terrains with ease. The bike's robust motor and efficient power delivery system promises a new era of e-biking where the joy of exploration and the convenience of electric assistance merge seamlessly, offering riders an enhanced and unrestricted biking experience. As the journey progresses, the C5 Ultra and I face hill after hill, curve after curve. Each incline that normally demands a concerted pedaling effort on other e-bikes is effortlessly surmounted by the C5 Ultra. It's an empowering experience watching as landscapes that once posed significant challenges become more blips on the ride, easily conquered. This journey through the North Georgia mountains is more than just a ride. It's a declaration of what the Himiway C5 Ultra is capable of. It's a bike that not only promises adventure, but delivers it with every turn of the wheel. The challenges of gravel roads, steep inclines, and long distances are met with unparalleled performance, comfort, and reliability. Each journey I embark upon with the Himiway C5 Ultra starts with some modest intention, a brief 30-minute ride to clear my mind and perhaps stretch my legs. However, the initial plan quickly unravels as the adventure unfolds. The allure of the ride, the seamless integration of man and machine transforms what meant to be a short excursion into a prolonged exploration. Before I know it, the half-hour mark is a distant memory and 1 hour turns into 2. It's as if time dilates, stretching out before me, filled with endless possibilities for discovery. The Himiway C5 Ultra has the unique ability to dissolve the awareness of time passing. As I ride, I find myself fully immersed in the experience, drawn further into the journey by the bike's smooth performance and the landscapes it enables me to traverse. The e-bike's robust motor and the effortless glide it provides over varied terrains encourages this exploration. Hills that would typically signal a turnaround point due to their daunting incline become mere steps in the journey, easily conquered and left behind. This phenomenon of lost time is not just about the bike's technical capabilities, though they are impressive. It's also about the sense of freedom the C5 Ultra instills. On this e-bike, I'm not just moving through the landscape, I'm part of it. The boundaries between the ride's start and end blur as I become engrossed in the act of exploring. Each trip becomes a narrative of its own, with unexpected detours and discoveries. A ride that begins in the golden hour of the afternoon seamlessly transitions into a serene evening, with the setting sun casting long shadows and bathing the world in a soft, ethereal light. These extended rides reveal the Himiway C5 Ultra's ability to connect me with my surroundings in a way that feels both intimate and grand. The e-bike serves as a bridge to the natural world, offering a unique vantage point from which to observe and interact with the environment. Wildlife sightings, the rustling of leaves in a gentle breeze, and the quiet solitude of remote trails becomes part of the ride's tapestry. The bike's quiet motor ensures that these moments are undisturbed, allowing for a symbiotic relationship with nature that is both rare and precious. The Himiway C5 Ultra transforms what could have been mundane, fleeting rides into memorable journeys that stretch the fabric of time. Each trip becomes an invitation to venture further, to explore deeper, and to discover more than I had anticipated. It's a testament to the bike's design and performance that time becomes an afterthought, a mere background detail in the rich unfolding narrative of exploration and adventure. Reflecting on this epic journey, the Himiway C5 Ultra stands as a beacon of progress in the world of electric bikes. It redefines the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels, inviting riders to explore further, climb higher, and dream bigger. The North Georgia mountains, with all the rugged beauty and demanding terrain, has been a worthy arena for this adventure, proving that the Himiway C5 Ultra is not just any e-bike, it's a gateway to untold adventures waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.